The single best system that's going to show you the fastest, easiest and most reliable way to making money online. Profit Genesis 2.0 not only shows students how to build a profitable online business, but it actually does most of the hard work for them. In fact, all you need is just 3 steps. Step number 1, watch videos. Step number 2, follow simple instructions. Step number 3, start generating cash online. It won't take more than 15 minutes a day. It's simple. It's all explained in the click-by-click video training. My 82-year-old grandmother can follow this training, so you have absolutely nothing to worry about. Imagine generating cash online every single day consistently, without fail. You might think that sounds too good to be true, but I'm telling you, it's real. All you need is a set of simple methods that can do it for you. That's why I'm going to hand them to you, so you can put them to work in literally minutes. It doesn't matter what your skill level is. It doesn't matter if you've tried and failed before. I'm here to tell you that this works, and you can start seeing serious cash much sooner than you can imagine right now. Best of all, once you have your fast cash money machine set up, you'll start making cash on complete autopilot 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. Now, if you're frustrated that nothing you've tried before has worked, I completely understand. So was I. But once you know what I'll show you, making money becomes as easy as walking. I'm not kidding. Here's what I mean. You don't have to worry about product development, inventory or risk, get sales from thousands of products without touching them. You don't even need to be good at writing. You don't even need to spend a boatload of money on things like website design or software. You need to know almost nothing technical at all. I'll show you everything you need, step by step, and it ain't much. All you'll need is to spend more than a couple of minutes a day on this. In fact, if you're frustrated, or you just flat out need cash fast and don't know how to get it, push all your worries aside. Because by the time you finish Profit Genesis 2.0, you'll discover the simplest 3-step formula that beginners can use to start making money fast. The one marketing fact you absolutely must know if you want to make any money at all online. Secret sources that will almost guarantee a flood of free, highly targeted traffic from massive search engines like Google. Simple way to automate getting your traffic magnets out there, so you can get an avalanche of traffic without feeling like you got crushed by that avalanche. The easy way to get as much cash as you want without spending a ton of money or time to get it. How to double, triple or even quadruple your profits. A simple, proven strategy for generating massive fast cash from social networks, without getting anybody at those networks upset with you. It's easy, once you know what I'll tell you. David, I'm in. How do I get started? By now you should realize that I'm providing you everything you need to succeed. We're not talking about an ebook containing second-hand information filled with fluff. This is a proven system that is jam-packed full of brand new information that will help you to start making money today. Let me ask you this. If you have a system that can help you generate passive income consistently, how much would that be worth to you? A one-time fee of $5,000? I'm sure you will agree with me that is a pretty good investment. Here's the thing. I'm not going to charge you $5,000. I'm not even charging you $1,500. Nor $997. I could realistically charge $997 and people will still see the value in it and the results it will bring them. But, remember, my promise to Benny was to get this into the hands of everyone who needs to make money online so I can help them. I understand though that not everyone will have $997 to invest now, even if they want to. Therefore for the next few days, I'm going to reduce the price of the system by more than 90% as I really want to help you out. Act now and everything is yours for a one-time measly investment of just regular price, $297. Special price, $37. Get this product in the link that is in the description below this video.